Hello and welcome to this quarter's Armadillo Lowdown. At Options High School, we want to give you a little bit of knowledge of what's going on. So we're going to review some things as we transition into the next semester. So I wanted to highlight some things that are going on in the program and also look at some things you need to keep on your calendar as you move forward. This is being completed right now for my medium level project 2 for HPE 578, Jared Greenwood. This is my newsletter to help out with Dorianne Gunnels, who's the PE department solo person. I'm the shop teacher, so helping her out with this newsletter and seeing things that we could do to help our students. So real quick, just a little information about the heart rate monitor grant received with Dorianne's work. And then moving on, really some quick highlights over here on the right-hand column. We want to focus on spring sports meetings. That's taking place at Bellingham High School on February 24th, 2020, and try and get there right after school. So 5 minutes after the bell rings, starts at 3:20, meet in the main gym. It's going to be closer than you think, but July 15th is when the cutoff deadline is for summer bike riding programs. We want to put this on your radar because here at Options High School, we don't have a biking opportunity for you. And so we want that to allow you, like the other middle schools and high schools do during the school year, we want you to be able to do it during the summer. So put that on your calendar for sign-ups and paperwork. Some other to-do items, more specifically in-house with the PE department. Make sure you clean out your locker, even if you're returning. We're doing all the lockers. Make sure you return your lock to Mrs. Gunnels, and she will complete that form for you. And looking ahead to registering, we got some course offerings for you. We've added one or two, so we want to make sure that you're aware of the yoga, strength, and training class, walking and jogging class, team sports, recreation, health class, and also leadership class taught by Mrs. Gunnels. And want you to make sure you don't miss any of your deadlines for when you're signing up in Raleigh during that time on Skyward. So over here, back to the left-hand side, we got this week's read. Basically, a little bit to tie together with the heart rate monitors received for aerobic workouts. What are the benefits of aerobic exercise? In Raleigh, we have talked about some habits that we're trying to control and maybe some SMART goals. So I kind of found this article that could tie into a little bit of everything we're talking about as a whole. So aerobic exercise is any activity that gets your blood pumping and large muscle groups working. It's also known as cardiovascular activity. Examples of this aerobic exercise include brisk walking, swimming, heavy cleaning or gardening, running, cycling, and playing soccer. Sorry for laughing at the heavy cleaning. Maybe we're getting aerobic exercise in the shop when we're cleaning the shop at Option. Anyways, that's just a small blurb from the article. I think it would benefit you to see the 13 benefits that they have from aerobic exercise if you go to this URL link and check out the full access. On to page 2 of our newsletter, we really want to get geared up for summer. It's right around the corner. Again, we've mentioned mountain biking as an option, and so there's a Vamos Outdoors for Latino kids to get in on a bike, and so that's after school on Wednesdays, so get signed up. That's during the school year, and then the other opportunity, like we mentioned on page 1, is during the summer. Birch Bay water slides will be open before we know it. Go check that out up in Blaine. Lake Pad and Sports is right around the corner for most of you. You can go check out what Jaegers has for rentals, from anywhere from stand-up paddleboards to kayaks to canoes. And last but not least, try and get involved in your community with having a skill set and around health related. We could look at getting our CPR and first aid certification. So the Bellingham Fire Department always has classes. We'll keep you posted on when they do that. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you have a smooth transition into semester 2.